Hi everybody, and welcome to day 11 of December Daily Ornaments. I almost forgot what I called it. So for this video, I'm just taking it's a package of different wooden shapes, and I decided ideally when I was at the dollar store, I wanted to find little chalkboards, but I couldn't find any. So I'm taking these shapes. Actually, I'm only going to use one shape out of the whole package, and that's this one here. And I'm painting it with black chalkboard paint. Now, I really don't think it makes a difference whether or not I used the chalkboard paint because I didn't use chalk to write on them. But I'm not sure if it would look different. Like maybe if I had used regular black paint, it may have been too glossy or something. So, and I had a fairly big size bottle of this, and I hardly ever use it, so why not? And I like the matte black look, so this is what I used. Now first I was going to just paint the center and leave a bit of that wooden frame over on the edge, but I gave up on that idea. I ended up painting the whole thing black, and it was much easier and went a lot faster doing it that way. I decided to paint the backs as well. It's not necessary, but from painting the edges of the wooden piece, some of the paint would get on the back and it looked kind of messy. So I thought it would be a lot cleaner and neat looking to just paint both sides. And it's not a lot of work. So I'm going to doodle a border around, and it's very loose. I'm not trying to be precise and perfect. I'm just doing a sketchy border following the shape of the wooden piece. And I'm using a Posca paint marker or paint pen. I don't know if you call it a pen or a marker. So very loose lines. It would also look nice if you did like a stitch looking line or a dotted line. You don't even have to do anything at all if you don't want to, but I like the look of loose sketchy lines. Now to write on these pieces, I tried using the Posca paint marker and it was just too thick, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to write with it, not in a small space. So I was trying to print, and I don't like my printing. I don't mind my writing, but I do not care for my printing. So I switched from the Posca paint marker to a gel, what are they called? Just gel pens? Yeah. And the size was 0.5. And for the writing, I decided to take some of my favorite Christmas songs, and instead of writing the name of the Christmas song on the board, I'm just taking little snippets, like lines from the song. And some of them, it might be like one of my favorite parts of the song, and some of them is just I thought it was nice words, and it would have looked odd just to see that sentence alone on a piece of wood. You know what I mean? So that is what I did for all 8 pieces. So I have written words on all 8 pieces, and now I'm going to select some wooden, I don't know what they're called. Yeah, I can't can't find the word. Anyways, I have hearts, snowflakes, and stars. And those stars are the same ones that I used on the wreath. And this is all from scrapbooking days. So it helps that I've kept this stuff even though I don't scrapbook anymore. See, there is an upside to not throwing anything out. So I'm just choosing a spot where it's not going to cover a lot of words or any at all. And I'm hot gluing them on. And to hang them on my tree, I just take a piece of, I have a lot of scrap thread from doing the tassels. So I used a lot of those scrap pieces to just glue onto these ornaments to hang them on the tree. And that is it for day 11. My goal this weekend, this is Saturday today when I am editing this. My goal this weekend is to catch up. So fingers crossed, I have day 12 and 13 completed. I just need to do the editing. So there'll just be one more, kind of two more if I want to post on the actual day, and I will be caught up. Yay! So for those that are waiting for the folio video, I'm sorry, but you may have to wait for that one because I am really busy doing these daily ornaments and life. It is Christmas time, so it's busy. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully later today I'll have day 12 and 13 ready for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.